Ngayon, after ng lahat ng chismis na to, at ng mga streetwear analysis, street fashion analysis, ano ngayon? Ano na yung solusyon? Again, ako lang to, no? For me, a better approach is to set clear rules based on behavior and not initially on fashion. Kung maingay, magulo, nakaka-disturb sa public, that's the trigger. Simple lang. Also yung mga youngster na friends natin dyan, no? Okay lang naman to flex all you want, pero dapat accountable pa rin. Okay lang kung pa-flex ka or pa-cool ka, pero again, dapat responsable ka. Hindi yung pupunta kayo sa BGC with your quote-unquote homies na para kayo naghahanap ng gulo. Hindi kayo members ng Sige-Sige Sputnik Gang at Bahala na Gang na always ready to fight. And finally, respect the private management angle. BGC, to be fair and to be honest, aminin mo man o hindi, is one of the few nicer and chill places dito sa Metro Manila. Kaya kung gusto nilang higpitan ang rules para mapanatiling safe and family-friendly ang area, gets ko. Tama lang naman.